So your new Wyze camera keeps showing this red light. Like, what does it mean and how do you fix it? Do you even need to fix it? We'll be going over just that and a bit more. Hey, welcome to Bling Bling. Let's get started. Wyze cameras are generally equipped with an LED indicator to communicate its status with the end user. Red is just one of many lights it uses to convey its message. Now, there are two ways your Wyze camera can show a red light, with a solid red light and a flashing red light. A flashing red light indicates that your Wyze camera is in setup mode and is ready to connect with the Wyze app on your phone. Now, this can happen if you're resetting your camera or if you're setting it up for the first time. So, the solution to this flashing red light is to simply pair your Wyze camera with the Wyze app on your phone. And here's how you do it. Open the Wyze app and tap on the new device option in the center. Tap on cameras and select your Wyze Cam model. Now, for Wyze Cam V3, press the setup button on the base of the camera till you hear the command ready to connect. Follow through with the instructions on the screen and enter your Wi-Fi credentials as well. Just make sure that you connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal. Using the Wyze camera, scan the QR code displayed on the app.
QR code scanned.
When you hear the command QR code scanned, confirm the same with the Wyze app as well. The red light now should turn blue, indicating that the Wi-Fi has been successfully set up. You can now enjoy your Wyze camera and customize its settings according to your preferences. Now, a solid red light on your Wyze camera indicates that your camera is booting up, it's initiating a firmware update, recording a motion clip, or processing video for live view. This is a non-issue and you shouldn't worry too much about it. And that's pretty much it. A flashing red light on your Wyze camera indicates that the camera is in setup mode and is ready to be paired. And a solid red light indicates that the camera is in the process of initiating or performing an active task relating to recording a motion event. If you found this video useful, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Wyze related content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.